Architecture is full of trade-offs: daylight, noise, wind, massing, and honestly, half the time we're guessing. Because getting real site data is slow, manual, and requires tools none of us can afford. But that's where AI steps in. Autodesk Forma turns all that painful site analysis into something fast, visual, and actually fun. And the best part? If you have an Autodesk Education account, you literally already have access. Just log in, open Forma, and you're good for a full year. Once you're in, the first step is super simple. Search for your site, click Import, and Forma pulls in all the data from OpenStreetMap and other real-world sources, so you start with an accurate base instead of a blank screen. Now, the fun part, shaping your site. After the site loads, you can lock down your boundaries and start pulling massing ideas. Forma gives you everything from AI-generated massings based on site constraints to manual drawing tools where you can sketch blocks and label anything you need. You can even load different extensions for more advanced analysis, but for today, we're focusing on the superior combo, Forma and Rhino. So start by downloading the Autodesk Forma Rhino plugin.
Once the plugin's download is complete, it will be automatically loaded into Rhino. You can import the site's layers into the Rhino file and bake it, making it easier to streamline between the two applications instead of looking for multiple different sources. Site analysis is also made easier through the many factors available in Forma, such as sun hours, daylight potential, and wind analysis, which is usually challenging in producing when it comes to model analysis. It provides generated statistics and percentages accurate to site conditions, with adjustable parameters to determine detailed and accurate site responses.
Now this is where Forma spices things up. Microclimate, you can tweak wind directions, temperatures, and site conditions and watch the model respond instantly. Noise pollution, Forma pulls real traffic data, speed, vehicle count, road width, and turns it into a heat map so you can spot all the "don't put a classroom here" zones immediately. Solar analysis, get a full map of high radiation areas, perfect for checking if your roof can actually power anything. It even estimates panel efficiency and potential electrical output for you. And of course, shadow studies at the click of a button. No more rotating your models 50 times just to see where the sun hits in June. If your project is deeper into development, Forma still has you covered. There's embodied carbon analysis, where every building element shows its carbon impact. Super useful if you're designing sustainably or need to justify material choices. Plus a whole library of plugins such as view analysis and other extensions you can add depending on your project demands. Trying multiple design options? Easy. Just create a new proposal and Forma clones your entire site. Then you run the same analysis again and compare the results side by side. No messy files, no duplicate rhinos, just clean, organized iterations that actually make sense.
Forma also allows you to directly compare statistics and data numbers to determine the efficiency of each proposal. You can compare across different factors where Forma will directly display data, comparisons, and graphics. For easier collaboration, Forma has its own board that works similar to Miro. In conclusion, Forma helps to use real-world contextual data to perform real-time analysis for environmental factors against the site conditions. The application can help design teams make smarter and efficient decisions during the planning phase and reduces the risk of inaccurate information. For students, Forma replaces multiple plugins with one. What we need is fast iteration and clear strategies. Forma gives that.